Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2005 ECE paper and the question is related to analog circuits. Look at the circuit diagram shown. The op-amp circuit shown in the figure is a filter. The type of filter and its cutoff frequency are respectively. What is the filter implemented by the given circuit and what is the cutoff frequency? Okay, so look at this diagram. From this diagram, can you identify whether it is inverting op-amp or non-inverting op-amp? Since the actual input signal Vi is connecting to non-inverting input, it acts as non-inverting amplifier. Non-inverting amplifier, that is nothing but non-inverting op-amp. For non-inverting op-amp, we know the output voltage equation as 1 plus Rf divided by R1 times of V plus. V plus implies nothing but voltage at non-inverting terminal. So from this one we can write it as V naught is equal to 1 plus Rf is nothing but this is Rf is 10 kilo ohms and R1 is also of 10 kilo ohms. So Rf by R1 is going to be 1 times of V plus. So V naught is equal to, you can say it as 2 times of V plus. Simply whatever the value present at V plus, that will be amplified by 2 times and it will appear at the output side. This is V naught is equal to 2 times of voltage at non-inverting terminal, equation 1. So how do you write the V plus? V plus is nothing but voltage at non-inverting term, that is nothing but this is. So now from this equation, this is what we are going with. Voltage across this resistor, that is 1 kilo ohm and it is 1 microfarad, and this is what Vi you are applying actually, and it is V plus, voltage at non-inverting terminal, V plus. So now have you seen this one? Is it looks like a simple RC network, and since capacitor is going to be over here, this is going to be act as high pass filter. This is a simple RC network which act as high pass filter. How can we say that one high pass filter? Because if you are going for the f is equal to 0 for DC, for DC f is equal to 0, by the time xc, that is nothing but 1 by 2 pi fc, that is going to be infinite, where it act as open circuit. So that capacitor act as open circuit for the DC as well as for small frequencies. So no input signal is going to be connected to output for DC signals as well as low frequency signals. And whenever the frequency is going to be increases, as frequency increases, you can write like this. For DC, XC is going to act as open circuit. For small f, for small f, for small f is nothing but for small frequencies, XC is going to be very large compared to R. Xc is going to be very large compared to R, so that V naught is approximated as 0 only. So this network doesn't pass the DC signal as well as small frequency signal, but as frequency increases, at that time Xc is going to be gets reduces, because Xc reactance of capacitance, that is 1 by 2 pi Fc. So F increases, Xc reduces. By that time Xc is going to be reduces than R. So now V naught is approximated is equal to Vi. So this is going to be passing only high frequencies. It is not passing the zero frequency, that is DC signal, as well as low frequencies. So it acts as high pass filter. And if you want to know the cutoff frequency, the cutoff frequency is going to be treated as F is equal to 1 by 2 pi RC. And since it is given in radians per second, that implies nothing but 2 pi f. Omega is nothing but radians per second. This is what it is asked, that is 1 by RC, that is 1 by 1k into 1 micro. So it will be around 1 kilohertz, that is nothing but 1k is nothing but 1000 radians per second. So this network act as high pass filter with 1000 radians per second. So the right answer for this question is A. So this network is going to be acting as high pass filter. If you use without op amp, it is simply high pass filter. It doesn't provide any gain. Okay, output is always lesser than input, and by using this op amp at that time we are able to provide V naught is equal to 2 times of V plus. V plus is nothing but output of high pass filter, that is now multiplied by 2 times. You can use the RF value differently to get more and more gain. So for the high pass filter, now we are able to provide gain also by using op amp. Okay, so this network is acting as high pass filter with cutoff frequency as 1000 radians per second. The right option is A. Thank you.